The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Anderson County and central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhart, or 9 miles south of Palestine, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Mound City, Denson Spring, Salmon, Cedar Creek, Slocum, and Broom City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Anderson, Texas.